Hello students, now in this video we will discuss about the significant figures. Significant figures means uh, the digits, those digits which have some meaning. First we will discuss about the definition of significant figure. That is, the significant figures are normally those digits in a measured quantity which are known reliably or about which we have confidence in our measurement, plus one additional digit that is uncertain. Means if we see, this is a scale, normal scale, and we have a stick. Simply we have a stick. uh, if we put the stick like that, okay, this is the stick, and we try to compare or measure the length of the stick by this scale. The end point, this end point match with the 0, and this end point is between 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, beyond 1.5, okay, beyond 1.5, and uh, before 1.6, because only you can measure 1 point something, 1.5 or 1.6, but you are uncertain that whether you should take 1.5 or 1.6. That means this last digit is uncertain. Certain digits is 1. We know that one measurement, 1 meter or 1 centimeter is confirmed, but the last digit, that is 0.5, this is uncertain. The significant figures are certain digits and one uncertain digits, that is the significant figure. Hope you are getting. If we have 1.53, that means 1.5, this is confirmed. This is the measurement. Let us suppose this is the length of the stick, 1.53. It may be 1.54 or it may be 1.52. Sorry, 1.53 and 1.54. Means the last digit is uncertain. The significant number of significant figure is 2 plus one uncertain digit, that is equals to 3. And in this you have one certain digit and one uncertain digit that you have. Means significant figure in this, you have two significant figures, and in this you have three significant figures. Hope you are getting. Let us move toward the rules for finding the significance figure. There are some rules. We will discuss these rules one by one. Number 1, rules for determining the number of significant figures. All non-zero, number 1, all non-zero digits are significant. So 13.75 has 4 significant figures. Okay, hope you are getting, because 137 is confirmed and last 5, that is uncertain. That means total certain digit is 3, and one uncertain digit, means total number of significant figures is 4. Second point, all zeros between two non-zeros digits are significant. For example, 100, 100.05 kilometer have 5 significant figures. Okay. Uh, First point is all non-zero digits, means from 1 to 9 except 0 is the all have the significant figure, but zeros may be counted as significant figure if zero lie between two non-zero constants. Okay, third point. All zeros to the right of a non-zero digit but to the left of an understood decimal point are not significant. For example, 86400 has three significant figures, but such zeros are significant if they come from a measurement. For example, 86400 has five significant figures. Number 4. All zeros to the right of the non-zero digit but to the left of the decimal point are significant. For example, 64870 point, only point is placed, not a zero. Okay, no zero after point, only 64870 point has six significant figures. Okay, fifth point, all zeros to the right of the decimal point are significant. So 161 centimeter, or you can write 161.0 centimeter and 161.00 centimeter have 3, 4 and 5 significant figures respectively. Number 6. All zeros to the right of the decimal point but to the left of a non-zero digit are not significant. So 0.161 centimeter and 0.0161 centimeter both have three significant figures. Moreover, 0 conventionally placed to the left of the decimal point is not significant. Last point, the seventh point, the number of significant figures does not depend on the system of unit. Means from one unit to, if you convert from one unit to another unit, number of figure will not change. So 16.4 centimeter and 0.164 meter and 0.000164 kilometer all have three significant figure. Hope you are getting and thanks for watching this video.